What's up guys, कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone's doing great. Today I'm super duper next level excited. Reason being, today is the first day of my gym. It definitely feels like the first day of school. That is because it's a new gym, new school, a new feels, a new fresh feels. Done with my breakfast and all that. Let's go and rock some pumping iron. You know, I can give you a quick tip. If you're joining a gym, your gym shouldn't be more than 10 minutes away from your house. If it's more than 10 minutes, it seems as per research, you will definitely try to miss it. You'll definitely try to skip it. This gym is literally 1 minute away, which means chances for skipping is very, very low. So we are done with the gym. I had a very good workout, like heavy intense. I did an intense back workout, but we have a review for the gym. Very good gym. I have to rate it around 8, almost 9 out of 10. Only issue is, you see, you don't call it a gym if there is no squat rack. Unfortunately, there is no leg equipment. There is no squat rack. In terms of biking, an adventure tourer is definitely not an adventure tourer if it doesn't have a big windshield. A gym is not a complete gym if it doesn't have a squat rack. Each and every equipment is branded. It's Precor, for God's sake. You know what is Precor? For the ones who don't know, Precor is BMW of gym equipment, the Mercedes of gym equipment, the Audi of gym equipment. All such fancy stuff is there, but there's no squat rack. I'll have to find a solution for leg workout. Okay, sit properly. See here. See here. What is this angle? And dish. I've washed clothes before when my mom and dad went to Canada when Pooja was not there. I think this will be second or third time I'll be washing my own clothes. I can wash your clothes also if you want.
No, yeah, you do yours today.
Okay, today I'll do mine.
I'll teach you it.
Yes, please teach me how. I know how to use a washing machine, but how much detergent to put, how much soap to put. Pooja is cooking.
Bindi fry.
Wow, smells nice.
And this is your dal. Dal is ready and chawal is also ready.
Oh, today I'm having white rice.
You only said in the morning.
Yeah,
you
today.
always say brown rice.
I thought today I'll have white rice. You shouldn't start everything at once. Already workout full on edit. So diet slowly, I'll get there. You shouldn't jump into it like that. Slowly transformation hona. Since almost 15-20 days I'm not working out, not dieting properly. I thought slowly we'll do the fade.
Okay.
That is the washing machine, Samsung.
Wait now, wait.
I didn't on. I need to put detergent here, it seems. Where is the detergent? Step 1 to wash your clothes. Cut wheel.
Not wheel, I mixed two.
Sorry, mix two. Why?
Because I want to.
To mix a Surf Excel and wheel.
Thoda ye, thoda wo.
If I was alone, I would put some Lux soap and wash it.
Your face.
Step number 2. Put the detergent in the washing machine. So there's a fully automatic washing machine, right? So you don't need to do anything much. Just hit power and then start.
Powder dal diya na.
Pani and all it'll take,
It will
yeah?
take automatically.
Oh, fancy. You know the reason it is slowing down and speeding up the drum? That's because it's trying to detect how many clothes are there. Full fancy. And now it's putting, it calculated the water and now
Leave it now.
next level fancy. Very good. Oh yes, once again we are back to our diet. I'm having like 220 grams of chicken. Morning 220 grams and night dinner also I'll be having 220 grams of chicken. Along with this I'll be having some white rice. Usually I have brown rice, but today Pooja made white rice. Both are carbs.
You already told me.
Yeah, that's okay. Both are carbs. I mean, both have equal number of calories and all that. But then brown rice is not processed, which means it's got all the nutrients. White rice is polished and all that, so most of the outer covering which holds all those beautiful nutrients, that's gone. Calories wise, both are same. Also, if you dig deep into that subject, it is like white rice has more glycemic index. Brown rice has low glycemic index. I might be wrong, but feels good to be back
Will you have some
to the
dal?
diet and all that. Yes, I'll have dal. This feels like home. And obviously this is our home.
This is
But
our
I'm
home.
talking about Malkajgiri home where I was staying like almost 17 or 18 years. This reminds me of that. I want some bindi also. It is not deep fried, right? It's just pan fried.
I don't cook deep fried, you know me.
So after lunch, we'll do some interior designing, okay? We'll put the curtains and all that. Today you didn't come in the vlog, right, Potti? What are you doing? Huh? Baby. Boo boo. By the way, I'm drying my clothes, doing all this for the first time. I don't have a proper drying area. So unfortunately, though we have an amazing balcony view, I had to use the space so that I can dry my clothes. See this? I put a rope for now. Later we'll get a rope here. For now this should work. That is our beautiful looking, healthy looking meal. Chicken, white rice, little bit dal and bhindi. You know what? Pooja eats in these fancy plates. These flat looking plastic plates.
Fancy,
or ceramic plates. I want my steel plate.
So get it.
which has these walls all around so that I can scoop my rice properly. How do you eat, Ray?
Scoop my rice now, like this.
See, Abhi, if I have to take my rice like this, it comes out like this.
That's
out.
wrong. You have to take it like this. That's why it goes out.
Yeah, but after everything is done, the last scoop, you want to take it out?
You can still
it
do
goes.
it.
It
It's
goes
an
out.
art.
It's an art, Tanta. I need my steel plate. That's it. Art
ऐसे
ले दो.
पूरा फैला के typical
Art ले दो, part ले दो. And finally, we can remove these towels. Like literally, we put towels. I should do pick up.
ये डड्डू Actually, mental.
But one good thing is she's loving the house.
Yeah, she's really happy.
She's full on enjoying.
And we are happy because
Thing is because
for
a lot
her,
of space is there to run around.
a very
See?
important reason to take this place is nice.
I mean, old house also. I mean, our Malkajira house also has a lot of space. But new house, hai na? She's like that. Oh, you unboxed it without telling me.
इसमें क्या unboxing नहीं है, खोल के
You don't know. Sreema unboxes every damn thing.
Okay, take.
It's okay. Open karo. These are the curtains we got yesterday. You are disturbing my vlog. That's it. That's the new curtain. And did the echo go down now a little bit? I hope so because finally we put the curtains in the office room. Still a little bit vacant. That is the reason we still have that echo. Once I fill in some more stuff, I think I need to get a bed here. Bed as in not like a proper king size bed. I just wanted to put a sofa cum bed maybe somewhere over here, just like my room in Malkajgiri. I think once you put all that and a little bit of cushions, I think it should be fine. Echo will go down a bit still. And the reason I chose this particular bedroom is because this one has the air conditioner. Anyways, got a little bit busy in the afternoon and later I slept for some time, then took Naisha for a walk. So I couldn't put these particular proper curtains in the hall. Let's do that now. Apart from this, we still have a couple of things to unbox, which I'll be doing right now. Which is these chairs. These two chairs will be going in the balcony there. And these two are like side tables. This will be going in the master bedroom. And also we have one more thing to unbox. This is Naisha's chair. Chotu sa chair. So these are the two colors we chose. This is Pooja's choice. This is my choice. Both look good actually. I like both of them. As long as there are no floral prints, I'm happy. We did a guesswork and got it. We don't even know the size of this. I forgot to take the dimensions of this window here. I hope it fits, especially the height. Height is not going to be perfect, but as you can see, it is just on point.
Okay, थोड़ा iron करेंगे curtain.
We have to iron, yes.
It's very
There are
fluffy.
wrinkles. But how does it look?
It looks good, I think.
Looks nice. एक बार अच्छे से arrange करो. But I was really concerned about the height and the dimensions. See, you need 4 curtains. I told you, right? 2 wouldn't be enough.
Naisha hide behind the curtain और मेरे को भगाती हो.
This grey is matching the fridge.
The grey is matching our sofa, which is why we thought of this color for the interiors.
So basically, our
So
combination
let's
is
see the cushions, see there.
yeah, green
The cushions
cushion
and the
and green
curtains and
curtain,
the sofa.
grey sofa, grey curtain.
Green and
This is not the best match, but
No, we'll
are
keep changing
we'll keep
it.
changing a lot. This is our first attempt, and we're not interior designers. We're not bad, at least. Slowly, the echo is going down and down in the house from day one. If you check it, every day the echo is going down. Now it feels more like a home. Sorry, livable. And oh yes, ambience is very important. White lights, we hate white lights. That is the reason we have a warm white color. I love warm white color.
lamp also.
Huh, the IKEA lamp, right?
इसी बात में warm soup हो जाए.
Oh yes, Pooja is making some amazing food. That is mancho soup,
Yeah. And
sauteed veggies
this sauteed veggies for you.
with olive oil.
See.
Healthy.
कोई वो नहीं रहे.
Happy for some days. I don't know till when. Till we go for our international trip, I'm gonna follow the diet.
Again the pancakes will come. Again we would
That is a
wait.
problem. You know, when you go into nice hotels, you'll have this nice buffet breakfast, which
You
is
can't
very
stop
bad.
eating that.
Yeah, it's okay. Once in a
Are we,
lifetime
by the
thing.
way, are we even going?
That we don't know.
COVID is again on the rise.
Lot of news, bad news we're hearing. So fingers crossed as of now. For now, look at this change when we switch over from white lights to warm white,
My favorite.
which is that bulb. Yeah, this one.
First, obviously.
Yeah, see, look at the ambience. Everything changes because of that color. Interior designing tip: if you want some nice ambience in the room,
It has to be
use warm white colors.
Warm white, yeah.
White light.
Okay, now interior design tip is to clean kachra also.
Oh, that is one more task. Every time you unbox, you have to do this as well. This is very important here, like next level important here, these curtains, because morning, trust me, the amount of light you get here. By the way, what is our apartment? West facing.
I don't know.
We're really confused with this.
I think entrance is west facing. This balcony
Entrance is west facing, this is east facing. So we have sunrise over the east, obviously. And mornings, I'll show you tomorrow morning, it is horribly lit up. I mean, I love that light, but not continuously throughout the day. It's really nice in the morning, but continuously I can't take it. Literally, I have to wear sunglasses and sit here. That bright. Now this is gonna solve that. And this, I think, is 100%, that's what he said, 100%, what is that called? It doesn't allow light at all. Opaque, 100% opaque.
ये कमरा देखो.
This camera is guest room. We have to clear all this mess.
Storeroom right now.
Now
Not a
it's
guest.
carton storeroom. Everything we're unboxing is gonna go here. Oh, we have to unbox this as well.
पहले नाइशू की chair.
Oh yes, Naishu. Naishu, your chair. Look at this daddu. What are you doing? What are you doing? Naishu, you know what is this? You know what is this? Your chair. Yeah, your chair. We'll do it. We'll open. You can't sit like that. We need to fix it. Get up.
We'll have sofas.
Yeah.
Fold हो जाए. नाइशू लगी. नहीं.
Your chair is ready. Come, sit here. We'll sit and read a book now. Okay, your chair is ready. But our chairs are not ready. We have to do it. I think there's no fixing in this. Just remove the cover and open it up. That's it. Should we eat and do?
Yeah.
Manchow, veg manchow.
Yeah.
Veg manchow soup.
कब से बनाने
Oh yeah. Actually, we got some fancy chairs first. They were like coffee color chairs. But then once we went to the racks to find them, they were out of stock. Then we were too tired to find one more chair, so we decided to get whatever was available. This was available. This is not the best looking chair, but it gets the job done. Mornings, if you want to sit in the balcony and sip our coffee, you need to have a chair. That's it. Also, we get some cushions for this. Where are the cushions? That's it. A chair setup is ready. We'll throw it outside in the balcony and we are good to go. Evenings you can't sit outside. Actually, you can sit after 7 o'clock. Before that, there will be mosquitoes. Do you think there will be mosquitoes? Actually, that's a big question I had. Are there mosquitoes at this 15th floor? I think there are. Wow. Nice and cool breeze. Amazing. Yes.
वाह यार वो तो गंदा light है.
Yeah. Once again, there is a white light here which we don't
get-
like. But see, I don't like this color again. We'll get a warm white here. That's it. The basic chairs here. There is a coffee table missing here. Like chota sa. One coffee table is missing here. Once we put it, we are good.
आ गई तो. By the way, I didn't realize हम दोनों का भी red है, नाइशू का भी red
Oh,
chair.
Naisha ka bhi red chair.
Color coordinated.
Yes.
I'll get that now.
Not that comfortable, but at least the cushions we got, they're making it a little bit comfortable. Put it back.
नाइशू.
It is not exactly red.
But
It's kind of light
kids
red,
come,
orangish
kids
red.
can't be like that.
Hey, there are mosquitoes at this height. Oh yes, there are mosquitoes. Close kar do. And after some days, I'm planning to get a few flower pots here. So once our budgets are better, we'll get a proper coffee table here. It's a proper bean bag and all that will make this place also nice and livable.
About salt.
Salt come hai, but people don't know if there is salt less. You shouldn't say that. Anyways, this is my dinner. Just chicken and some salad. Pooja is having something fancy.
Nothing fancy.
Dosa. Mixed
Pizza
veg
dosa.
dosa. I've
mixed
never
veg dosa.
heard about that. I'm seeing this for the first time. With ketchup, dosa with ketchup.
Because it's like a pizza. You put cheese also.
Desi pizza. Pooja is making something fancy. All fancy. What is this?
The karam dosa, but it's an international karam dosa.
It's international karam dosa because it's got peri peri powder on dosa.
And cheese.
And cheese.
Try it and tell me how is it.
Too much of experimentation on me. बहुत ज़्यादा experiment हो रहा मेरे ऊपर. Okay, let's try it. It looks fancy, but see, how will I maintain my diet if you give me all this?
Just have one bite, Ali.
First one is better, but something different. Instead of karam powder, peri peri powder. This is the same peri peri powder I put on my chicken. Actually, there's some more unboxing left. I'll keep doing a lot of unboxing for the next couple of days because new house we have a lot of stuff to unbox. Except one dining table, we got everything else. Almost 90% houses set up.
Room ka couch also.
हाँ मेरा room का couch भी. I want to get a sofa bed there.
Both are out of stock.
Both are out of stock, even the dining table and the sofa bed. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do
Like,
comment,
share,
do subscribe.
subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And then you do.